Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is what is Bitcoin, how to make money with Bitcoins. With Bitcoin downloadable the highest past few years in supply, it allows people that can fund out a can make money worth large cryptocurrency. Thanks to the coin grow population, these are all host and make money with Bitcoin. The method choose will depend on a range factor like technical knowledge, investment experience, how much risk you are willing to take, how to quickly when see rewarded. Bitcoin mining, the most about way to make money with target Bitcoin mining. The process with new coins are creation and transaction information verified, missing profit by higher power which solves complete material programming, reward Bitcoin, the add block of transaction of blockchain. In the easily raised Bitcoin is possible make money design amount of money limited experience over the timing missing becomes lot higher, more capacity progress power it's require which suspicion equate the most loss of money aggregate for these affect large missing flexible to make money target Bitcoin missing to is joining mining pool comfort progress power with invest in Bitcoin. You can invest Bitcoin buying and holding the cryptocurrency in the hopes increase in value over time. Bitcoin exchange value and higher risk so invest and so recommended for people who have good level of knowledge. After loss invest you can also need it along if you want invest Bitcoin improvement to store your crypto and digital wallet to keep safe trading Bitcoin. Trading Bitcoin is every risk then investor Bitcoin but you are successful can vary large the ideas it buy Bitcoin at low price and sells soon after highest price. Trading backing profit. Trading online is something people you have experience and knowledge of the market but every risk of the long money exchange higher list. Some people choose run Bitcoin trading but so 3D at trading host is set professional and intention which we will cases but sales by exchange your profit but defend because here missing arrow estimative revenues are almost and calculation formula much faster the people however can experience and really designing trades. Other option contact content and difficulty we live chat content for Bitcoin without excuse barely strong the coin Bitcoin lending is possible get high return from Bitcoin leader around against very high level risk by using websites such increased capital Bitpoint or BTC people you can trading Bitcoin other personal and internet rate up to 15% commission. The many risk of browser payback and missing your last amount micro job and Bitcoin features. Some website enable your career of out to small task and return small amount of Bitcoin. The task could increase divided posting, watching videos, website check increase, contact watching videos, YouTube website and checking similar Bitcoin factor website depended small reward visitor to claim exchange for completion skeptical to risk described it website the are all paid to click website which Bitcoin if you practical website views client ads. These methods are simple, low risk, very earn Bitcoin, all target almost amount of make money party, negative run and sign up completion. Bitcoin's funds of old Bitcoins organization setup enables to your paid account and posted your make money need post a maximum limited get declined level of payment get triped you can triped in Bitcoin helping other people live chat platform such Bitfort you can assistant with range of problem like finding a fixable pair loss shoes a identification as on films constant whether you knew cryptocurrency market and experience trade the return ways you can make money Bitcoin just make your source assess risk level knowledge required before take the plugging. View moves to Yahoo Finance updates privacy and policies. Yahoo Finance Exchange joining Yahoo Finance team described what is moving word financing where Bitful holding these risks pre-crash your call tool trade flexible like pro free ebook smart ways gift to children James Cameron's scanned ground target this is plaguing stock easily get often increased data comes low expanded financial yahoo.news stock market news level update September 12 21 videos is real life stock market news live update stock easily genuine after effect data comes is low that expirate stock trading lower trade easily a genuine the course muse CPI spread value fund and energy price should expert the come at 4.0% yes our August before 4.3% in July constant commission e-commerce we looking this increase suggested the particle price purchase expected the value CPI pointed the most showing the rates grow information temporary an increased number of suggested the page grow have already like spaced this yes easily trying easy strategy reporting already moved assignment constant views USA quantities market the value e-commerce or subscribe my channel thanks for watching for latest mission update.